The nomination list for this year's VGMA is out, and some artists, fortunately for them, did bag some nominations. Others didn't, and they've come out to share their displeasure as they submitted their works and felt that they really did deserve some nominations. Stonebwoy also had a lot to say about their award scheme here in Ghana, and all that has to do with the works of artists. This year, Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale did not get any nominations. We all know of the ongoing issues between Stonebwoy, Shatta Wale, and then the VGMA.
I think they solved that issue.
Yes, but then these two artists are still not happy with VGMA.
Okay.
They've still not come down for them. So this is what Stonebwoy actually wrote on social media. He said, although plaques are good, one must remain stable with his or her true level. He also advised his fellow musicians to stay away from people who do not recognize their hard works but only aim at satisfying their broken esteems and egos. So
I think he's going too harsh or too hard on VGMA this time because Stonebwoy has been nominated several times in VGMA. He has won some awards that has given him that leverage or that height that we are seeing Stonebwoy today. Na Kenya awards in Kitten or JJN and Kanda me kind Stonebwoy waje artist of the year, waje reggae dance or artist of the year twice. I'm on Shatta Wale kwa wede ebe konho. Enye the same awards scheme ya na ma Stonebwoy ni Shatta Wale kwa konho.
Yeah.
So it is important. The fact that this year you are not being nominated or there's an issue and then you are out of the nomination list doesn't mean they are just doing something to satisfy some few people. And one or you and one of the building. So I think sometimes you just give credit because VGMA is really helping. Since 21 years, 22 years, they are still doing it. So you can't just come and say because of some reasons or you are not sharing the idea with them this year means they are not doing well. They are doing well. Just that they have an unsolved problem, which is on Shatta Wale with VGMA.
Stonebwoy.
But I believe they told them to submit. They told them to file.
Yes, they did. But
so I think they didn't file.
When the whole issue happened, they did not treat himself and then Shatta Wale.
It's past. Whatever happened that day to all Ghanaians were,
witnesses.
Yes. So.
But well, that is it. That is what he had to say. But what do you also think? Do you think awards are really that important? Moving on, AY Puyu. As for him, he submitted some works. And wanted to be nominated for about 5 categories and nothing. So he took to Twitter and this is what he tweeted. Year under review. Maybe my song Goat wasn't popular enough to get nominated. It would have been nice to get nominated for a song that got very popular across the world. This is something I can't control and have no right to be mad about. It's a private award scheme and not obliged to nominate people even if the world thinks otherwise. Congratulations to all nominees, and I hope I become more popular to get some little recognition in my own country. God bless you all and God bless Ghana. Amen.
So Osha AY is trying to mean that he did well last year. He had some popular songs, The Goat, which had 1 million views in a month, and then he believed he should be part of at least 5 categories.
Yeah.
And then 3 music. I think he got nomination in 3 music. I think he got nomination there, but he didn't win.
Okay.
So I quite say, if I was to be AY Puyu, I'll speak like this because we also AY Puyu before y'all talk mukrabe epija muni adade. But mukoma bejija was ngakanga kra so ebe yakakra. But the thing is, at least if I don't expect him in any category, new act there, like I said, because and the review AY Puyu, one of the strong people or the strong brands that did very well. They came out from nowhere. All of a sudden, go to know. But there's no platform in Ghana. TV station Ben one call. So at least he should have been part of the new act category.
Yeah, and that Ghost song got him some big collaborations from outside Ghana. And
yes, even some songs he's holding, which show my Josie from South Africa and stuff. So he did well.
He may be right there. Well, Flo Kingston, yes, one of the rappers here in Ghana, was also not happy about the fact that he also submitted some works and was not nominated. I believe he's barely nominated at the VGMA, and he's not happy about it. So this is what he also posted on Facebook. It's 2021 and VGMA is still fake, but still we move. And they say I should come back home to what? The buyers industry. I do this for my fans who recognizes quality. Thanks for supporting. Let's keep pushing to the world. Quality. Yeah, and you can you tell us a bit about Flocking Stone.
Yeah, in the review, why Juma Bebre, he dropped an album, the Bra album, best rapper Africa.
Wow.
Yeah, so he dropped an album, and then I'm just looking at his YouTube, this one account right now. 2 weeks ago, he dropped a song, Grammys, and then 3 weeks he dropped a song with Adina Bye Bye.
Okay.
1 month he dropped a song with Kofi Jama, YP, Kweku Flick, Musa Squad. No, that is 1 month to 2 months. Lady Gaga with Ochami Kwame Kunta Kinte. 3 months. Let's just say he's been doing work. It's not like he's not doing. Almost look 6 months. He dropped a song, Berima Nihwai, featuring Strong Man. So he's been dropping songs. So yeah, in the review, no Abu Juma plus an album. But in the nomination, he's going to at least talk about it because of Felisa Wahi Jumano. But the thing is, he's been underrated. Most people don't want to see. I don't know why. Because Flocking Stone is very good. He's one of the good rappers you have here in Ghana. Yes, but we don't know why he's not getting that mileage or that support we are giving to some rappers.
And he's very in mainstream for me as well because he's a rapper. And
you see, Flocking Stone even came before Sarkodie.
Yeah.
Almost 2008, 2007. You understand? So he's been there for that thing. They will him say Flocking Stone is in the mainstream for a very long time. But the thing is, nowadays that's some way you mean man, like he's been underrated like that. Though I don't know why, but I mean,
but him talking about being in the States, he should also leave the States and come for interviews.
Oh, me just an saying okay. It's just a talk he's trying to mean because so what yes, bra down. But I mean, your fans will be calling you to come down and stuff. But it doesn't mean say. I mean, he's what he was saying. He just went and just say, oh, not it. Flocking Stone, it doesn't really be.
You know, I would use this Flocking Stone story to actually ask this important question. Now, Flocking Stone, as we all know, is been in the industry for so long. He's been in the industry for so long, but then he keeps dropping songs. Do you think he's promoting it to the level that we need for us to also know, okay, so this is going on with you, or he's just dropping the song and just leaving it there?
I think he's doing the promotion, but the thing with Ghana is once they see new act, new artists, new talents, they focus their mind there. Until you do something, you diss out something or diss somebody, they know what you answer about also there is going to be difficult. And in my Flocking Stone on this will be then let it be a beef. That's where you see they'll say, yeah, Flocking Stone will be intimate. I mean, they'll try to, because they know who he is. But that is how Ghana is. Every time we will just adapt. And one AY you're forgetting that you're talking also.
Well, you've heard it all. AY Puyo is not happy. Flocking Stone is also not happy about the fact that they were not nominated for this year's VGMB. And Flocking Stone, for even other years, he was still not nominated and was not happy about it. Stonebwoy also had his opinion to share. Leave your comments. It's very important. Leave your comments. Subscribe to the channel for more updates. I am Amatricia. Sitting beside me is Tadi Tomzi. Subscribe to the channel.